Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. The maximum temperature here is 42 to 43 degrees Celsius. And this is also semi-desert area, and this place is very dry and hot. And to keep our plants safe, we must think that what fertilizers should we give our plant, and is it even the right time to give fertilizers? So today let's learn an easy fertilizer that you can give to your plants. For this we need kitchen waste. Well, kitchen waste is only some vegetables or fruit peel. How do you make organic fertilizer from kitchen waste? Gather your kitchen wastes such as fruit peels, vegetable scraps, etc. and add that to your composting bin. Add some water and leave it for a day. Next, you can add some amount of jaggery. Then cover it. Hey wait, if you don't have jaggery, you can also give Bioenzyme. Bioenzyme and jaggery help in the fertilizer to become more quickly. In this composting bin, keep adding your kitchen waste every day. Keep adding it until your composting bin is full. And if you can, you have to stir it every day. This will help to grow good bacteria in the presence of oxygen. With these, you can also add some rice water and also leftover rice if you have. After this, you have to just wait 5 to 7 days to make a very good fertilizer. In this kitchen waste compost, there is every kind of micro and macronutrients. This will help your plant to grow very healthy in summer season also. Some may think that it might have a very bad smell, but believe me, after 7 days, there will be no bad smell after adding jaggery or bioenzyme. For this, just take 1 liter of this fertilizer and dilute it with 4 liters of water and give it to your plants. As it's summer season, never give it to your plants before diluting it. You can give it to any flower plant, fruit plant, vegetable plant, or even any ornamental plant without any problems. So let's give you a summary again. First is to take any vegetable or fruit peel. Collect it in a composting bin. Add water and some jaggery or bioenzyme. Cover it. Keep it in rest for 7 days. Then with 1 liter of this fertilizer diluted with 4 liters of water, then give it to any kind of plant. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.